In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore bookmarks in Chrome. Whether you've reinstalled the browser, switched devices, or something just went wrong, I'll walk you through 3 reliable ways to get your bookmarks back, from the simplest to the most hands-on. Let's start with Chrome Sync. If you used Chrome Sync before, this is usually the fastest path. After reinstalling Chrome, sign into your Google account inside the browser. Then confirm that bookmarks are included in your sync settings by typing Chrome, Settings, Sync Setup in the address bar. Make sure Bookmarks is enabled. Give it a moment, and your bookmarks should automatically repopulate as Chrome finishes syncing. This method is best when you've previously had sync turned on and want your saved items to follow you to any device. If you exported your bookmarks to a file earlier, you can restore them by importing an HTML file. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and choose Bookmark Manager. You can also press Ctrl+Shift+O to open it directly. In the Bookmark Manager, click the 3 dots next to the search bar and select Import Bookmarks. Browse to the HTML file you saved earlier, select it, and click Open. Chrome will bring those bookmarks back into your browser. This is ideal when you've kept a manual backup, and it typically adds those bookmarks alongside any you already have. If you don't have sync or an exported file, you may be able to restore from Chrome's local backup. First, close all Chrome windows completely so no background processes are running. Then open File Explorer and navigate to %appdata% or go to See Users war your user. Name app data locale, Google or Chrome user data your default. In that folder, look for 2 files, bookmarks and bookmarks.back. Rename the current bookmarks file to bookmarks.old so you can revert if needed. Next, rename bookmarks.back to bookmarks by removing the .back extension. When you open Chrome again, it will read that restored file and your bookmarks should reappear. This method relies on the backup that Chrome automatically maintains, and it works best if the backup is recent. Once you've restored your bookmarks, consider turning on Chrome Sync so you have a safety net going forward, or export an HTML backup periodically for peace of mind. And that's it. 3 practical ways to bring your bookmarks back into Chrome with minimal hassle.